something. A lamp? Bro, are you serious?
Yes, dude, he's right. Look at those glass tubes and broken stuff. These are like ancient test tubes.
And maybe some scientist here was trying to cook up a genius formula, but couldn't crack it.
Wait, check this out. There's something carved here. It's like a math puzzle.
What? A math puzzle? Let's go!
Calm down, dude. It's a puzzle, not a Domino's pizza.
What can I say, bro? Math and my life, both full of problems.
But guys, look, this is some sort of riddle. It's written here. The puzzle of time. Solve it to awaken the era of knowledge. But beware, only the wise may cross time.
वाइस हम तो वो है जो चैट जीपीटी पे हाउ टू पास विदाउट स्टडीइंग सर्च करते हैं.
Wait, let me read it out. 3 times the earth around the flame, as sacred rivers chant his name.
3 times the earth around the flame? Sounds poetic, huh? Maybe it's about the earth revolving around the sun?
Yeah, in ancient times they considered the sun sacred Agni, the fire god. Earth revolves around the sun once a year, 3 times means 3 years.
The sacred rivers chant his name? I know this. The 7 sacred rivers of India: Ganga, Yamuna, Sindhu, Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri.
7 rivers symbolizing purity and spirituality.
So that's 7. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Wow! Ancient maths with modern brains. Miracles do happen. Okay, let's keep the count. First clue 10.
All right. Next line. From forest hymns the Vedas came, while Dharma stood with balanced frame.
Forest hymns? Oh, that has to be the Vedas. The ancient sages composed the 4 Vedas in forests, which are Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharvaved.
Exactly. Born in forests, recited under the stars, ancient India's version of Google. And Dharma with a balanced frame? Come on, philosopher, tell me.
It definitely must be the 4 pillars of Dharma: Satya, Tap, Daya, Dan. Got that from our history class. Kahi to kaam aaya.
So that's 4 plus 4, which equals to 8. Add that to our previous 10, which comes to 18.
Wait, there's more. Add wisdom born, where silence dwelled. The oldest temple where thought excelled.
That sounds majestic. Where thought excelled. Could be the ancient universities.
Oh, yes! Takshashila and Nalanda, the OG IITs of ancient times.
Exactly. Takshashila was established around 700 BC and it was one of the first global universities.
So let's add everything so far. 3 times the earth around the flame plus the 7 sacred rivers, which comes to 10. Then the 4 Vedas plus the 4 pillars of Dharma, that comes to 8. Easy math. Then 700, that's the year of Takshashila. So the grand total is 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus another 4 plus 700. That equals 718.
Okay, so far, so good. Now, here's the twist. Then take away the silent year, where shrines felt dim and minds knew fear.
Silent year. Sounds like the lockdown period. Could it be the year 2020?
But this is ancient. That sounds like a dark period. Maybe the time when Hindu temples and education centers were attacked?
Oh yes, you're a genius. Around 1018 AD, the invasion of Ghazni. He destroyed many ancient temples. The dark period.
Arey haan, that makes sense. A time when mind ruled over soul. The era of intellect and philosophy.
But the scroll says take away that year. So 718 minus 1018 equals to negative 300?
Negative 300? Man, this is going backwards. Like my progress report.
Wait, there's one last line. What number stirs beneath the ground, where mind, not sword, overruled the ground?
It's philosophical. In ancient India, intellect was considered above warfare. Scholars were the pride, not warriors.
It's talking about India's knowledge legacy. Not kings, but scholars. So basically, India's ancient superpowers were teachers?
So, minus 300 must be the final answer. It's symbolic, a time when knowledge ruled, not weapons. Before the invasions, when India was the land of learning.
Okay, abhi jo hoga, wo hoga. Enter the number minus 300.
Okay, where are we?
Did anyone feel the ground shaking? Did we, teleport?
Bro, how is this even possible? Someone explain this sorcery.
तू जरा चुप बैठेगी please. Manan, what did you do?
I just solved the thing, okay? How was I supposed to know that this is a time machine?
कहाँ हूँ मैं? ये सब क्या है?
Sharma sir.
What the hell? Namaste sir. You too? How?
Same way you all did. While I was hunting for you mischief makers, I landed up here. And right before I could warn you, boom! Puzzle solved. Now look where we are.
But sir, what is this place?
ये तो देखने से किसी का दरबार लग रहा है. Wait, let's find it out.
Sir, if this is a darbar, then where were we last night?
Last night we were in some kind of a lab. Ages ago, some brilliant but secretive scientists attempted to crack time travel. The project worked, but it was too dangerous. So they abandoned it, leaving behind a warning that this would only be used when absolutely necessary. Looks like we are in that time.
But sir, अब हम क्या करें? How do we get back?
We will figure it out. But listen, this journey is not a punishment. It is a lesson. Whatever happens now, stay sharp. Observe everything. The answers will come. And trust me, you will need them.
कल्याण के लिए हमें
इस प्रश्न का उत्तर सर्वप्रथम मैं देना